Hi, I'm Kirby.
I'm Dana.
From KJF-TravelAdventures, and we're back to give you a quick sort of the essentials to take on a Orlando theme park visit.
Yes.
So, because how prepared you are can sort of make or break your day.
And save you some money.
And save you some money and
time
and aggravation and lots of things. So, this is mostly we don't have kids, so this is when adults go to theme parks sort of backpack of what we bring when we hit the parks for a day. Yeah. So, want to get started?
Yeah.
All right. First up,
backpack. We are fans of Trips Travel Gear. This backpack is very nice. Insert video here with Kirby showing you more things about this really cool backpack.
Yeah, it was pretty cool. All right, so this is our Trip Travel Gear backpack. We just got it and we used it for the first time at Mickey's Not So Scary and we really liked it. So first is it folds into this. So if you were going on a longer trip and wanted like a day pack, it folds up really small. But let's see. So, first neat thing is this top pouch has microfiber on the inside. So it's like a sunglasses or a glasses pouch. It's very blurry. Oh.
Nope.
Nope.
Oh, there we go.
All right. So you can throw your glasses in there and it won't get all scratched up. And then it has this front pouch. So that would fold there with a zipper pocket. It's got two big side pieces. We had I think that's a 20-ounce water bottle in there. And it fit easily, one on each side. And then in the main compartment, there's a little front pouch. And then there's a bigger pouch in the back that would fit a laptop. So this could be I'm going on the airplane and this is my carry-on bag and your laptop would fit in there. But because they designed this to be a travel sort of day hiking pack, there's absolutely no padding. So you would just have to be careful that you don't just drop your backpack on the ground with your laptop in it. But another pouch there. And then it has these nice, lightweight, very breathable shoulder straps. I wore this in August in Florida. It was 100 degrees and it was breathable. You don't get those you can see someone's wearing a backpack because they have the sweat lines of the shoulder straps. And then it has the chest clip across the front. And because it's a hiking backpack, this is a whistle. If you needed to that was not.
The cat did not like that.
Oh, I'm sorry, Crosby. So, and then when you're done, it folds all the way back up into its little take it to go. So, this is my new favorite sort of travel backpack. We just found them. It's Trips Travel Gear on Amazon. They have a few other things we want to try too. So, all right. So what goes in the backpack?
Water. Stay hydrated. This is a bottle by Simply Modern. I don't know if you could see. It's not
Amazon.
Yeah. It's a screw top, so it doesn't leak, which is ideal.
Yeah. You
can fill this up in the parks. Sometimes they have water refill places, but a lot of times it's just water fountains.
Yeah.
The water tends to not taste great.
Oh, and any quick service location that has water like fountains will give you water. And at Universal Studios, any of those Coke freestyle machines have free water as well. So those are places to fill that up so you don't have to spend $3
every time you buy
$3.50, $4 for a bottle of water. So
but because if you're getting it at the water refills or the fountains, they don't taste fantastic. Yeah. So we recommend bringing a little flavor. That'll help you stay hydrated because that's probably the number one medical emergency that theme parks have. Is people just fall out. They drink too much beer and they walk around a theme park and it's 105 degrees and 105% humidity and then you die. I'm not die, but
and then you're on the ground passed out.
Right. So, and you're paying an emergency medical bill. Speaking of emergency medicals, we have our little to-go first aid kit.
Yep.
That has like Band-Aids and Tylenol and Pepto-Bismol. Theme parks will have like a nurse's station. That's the only place you can get a Band-Aid.
Correct.
If you don't want to spend an hour getting a Band-Aid, bring some.
Right.
Because you're going to rub a blister. You're walking around a lot. You're sweating a lot. You're going to get a rubby blister.
Yep.
Pack a Band-Aid so
you're
you
gonna
don't
get a
have
headache. You're gonna
Yeah. Just bring a little thing with the essentials. Yeah. Speaking of rubbing, my favorite thing. If you have any skin that touches any other skin on your body, you're gonna get a rubby place because it is humid here.
It's August and the temperature today feels like is 105.
Yes. This is my favorite thing in the whole world. You don't have to use it on your thighs. It's called Thigh Rescue, but you can use it anywhere, any place where you rub.
Yep.
It's fantastic.
What else we got? Oh, speaking of 105 degrees.
Even if you tan, I don't tan.
No,
I just burn.
Dana burns. I tan.
Even if you tan, sunscreen.
Yep.
The sun is mega powerful here. It's stronger than you think it is.
Yeah, and on that same lines, hat, sunglasses. It's so bad for your eyes. The sun, just the straight sun. So like hat, sunglasses, lightweight clothing. Like,
yes. Don't wear jeans. Please don't wear jeans.
Or
yeah. Athletic material clothing is the best. If you're here in the summer, particularly, it is going to storm. In the afternoon, it will storm at least once.
Downpour, not drizzle. Downpour monsoon for half an hour.
Right.
Absolute monsoon. And then it'll drizzle for another hour or two.
Yes. Yeah. Bring a raincoat, a poncho. We use a reusable poncho. We have used like emergency ponchos. It's very thin, like a plastic bag that you get at a grocery store. They will rip. You can really only use them once. Right. So if there's a storm, then again, in 3 hours, you don't have a poncho. Yeah. Bring the reusable ones. It'll last you a lot longer. Bring something you can put a wet poncho in.
To put it back in your bag.
Because when you put it back in your bag, it's soaking wet. So is all your stuff. Yeah. So bring something to keep the rest of your stuff dry. Yeah. And that is your emergency list for any theme park in Orlando.
Yeah, any sort of warm weather. Yeah. Anything else? No? All right. I'm Kirby.
I'm Dana.
From KJF-TravelAdventures. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to get notified when all of our new videos drop. Bye.
Bye.